This is the Tribeca All Access Award ceremony. We're catching up with Sheila Johnson. You look gorgeous tonight.
Well, thank you.
So tell us about what you're looking for in the films at Tribeca.
Well, we're looking for films that are unique. We're looking for films that are going to get theatrical release. And we're looking for films that are really going to send messages out there and really speak to the people. And I think it's very exciting.
Have you seen a lot of movies so far?
Oh, yes. I've probably looked at about 18 of them.
Is it okay for us to ask you, are there any standouts in your mind?
There are some standouts, but I can't announce them tonight because one of them's going to win.
All right.
Yeah.
So tell us about you. You're a filmmaker.
Yes,
and remind us of what you've done that we've seen in the past.
Oh, well, I'm a new filmmaker, and my film is going to premiere Wednesday called A Powerful Noise, and it's about women's empowerment.
Šta smo mi tim dobili? Ništa nismo dobili.
Như kiểu là được sống lại những cái ngày mà tuổi thơ của mình đã gắn bó ở đây. Túm tụm nhau vào, ngày xưa thì rất là hiền, mà từ khi có tệ nạn thì họ...
Les parents ne pensent pas aux enfants. Pour eux, Dieu t'a donné l'enfant, c'est pour travailler pour toi. Et surtout les filles.
It's a story of 3 exceptional women who have really changed their communities around against all odds.
Mình nghĩ nếu mà để cho cộng đồng thay đổi được cái sự phân biệt kỳ thị đối xử đối với người có hát thì chính bản thân người có hát phải làm thay đổi cái nhìn của cộng đồng.
So no wonder you like the inspirational story.
I really do. I believe in telling the story that is really possible, that we can really get some real closure to.
Kad kažeš ime, odmah ti kažeš šta si. Treba da me shvatiš kao čovjeka dobrog i lošeg, a ne po imenu i prezimenu. Jesam li Srbin, jesam li Bošnjak. Mislim, stvarno, tu me ubija.
Nhưng các anh thấy là không giặt đâu, chỉ dùng một lần thôi.
Zato što žena je najbolji dio društva.
Žene su borci.
Anything else you want to tell us here at the Tribeca Film Festival?
I have to say this has probably been one of the most remarkable experiences I ever had, and it's so well run, and you all should be proud. Everyone should be proud here.
We are.
Yes.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Oh, you're welcome.
You're watching Real TV.
Hey, you got that right, I got the people to meet. Finding myself every day more complete. I got no money in my pocket, but I know I'm on my way. I think that's fate's hand waving my way. And they say the